city of Mumbai, known for its vibrant energy and resilience, faced an unprecedented challenge on May 13, 2024. A massive dust storm, likened to the conditions in Dubai, engulfed the metropolis, casting an ominous shadow over its bustling streets and skyline. As the first rain of the season fell, it was followed by an intense dust storm that plunged parts of the city into darkness due to power outages. The skies turned an eerie shade of grey, obscuring the sun and creating a gloomy atmosphere that left residents in awe and disbelief. Airplanes were unable to receive landing signals at Mumbai's airport, causing widespread disruptions to air travel. Residents, having never witnessed such dark clouds or intense storms before, were left stunned and uncertain about what lay ahead. The storm's fury was evident as a massive hoarding collapsed onto a petrol pump in Ghatkopar, trapping 100 people beneath its rubble. Tragically, 37 individuals were injured and rushed to nearby hospitals, while approximately 60 more were believed to be still trapped under the collapsed structure. The chaos intensified as a multi-story building scaffolding crumbled onto the road during the powerful dust storm. Witnesses watched in horror as the building crumbled, forcing vehicles and pedestrians to flee for their lives to avoid being struck by the falling debris. Around 3 p.m., an unusual dust storm swept through Mumbai's coastal areas, bringing with it strong winds that reduced visibility and disrupted traffic flow. Movement became arduous for both pedestrians and vehicles, as the darkened sky and obstructed roads posed significant challenges. In the wake of the inclement weather and low visibility, flight operations at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport were disrupted for 66 minutes, causing further delays and inconveniences. As the dust settled, the city was left to grapple with the aftermath of this unprecedented calamity. The images of the crumbling structures, trapped individuals, and the eerie darkness that blanketed the city will forever be etched in the memories of Mumbaikars. The resilience of this vibrant metropolis will undoubtedly be tested as it begins the long journey towards recovery and rebuilding.